सब ऐसा मेरे साथ क्यों करते हैं? Why everyone does this to me? Why everyone does this to me? मैंने डर के मारे झूठ बोला। I lied out of fear. I lied out of fear. तुम इज्जत के लायक नहीं हो। You don't deserve respect. You don't deserve respect. खुशियाँ खरीदी नहीं जा सकती। Happiness can't be bought. Happiness can't be bought. खुशियाँ अंदर से आती है। Happiness comes from within. Happiness comes from within. मैंने अभी तक खाना नहीं खाया। As of now, I haven't eaten. As of now, I haven't eaten. मैंने काम अभी तक पूरा नहीं किया। I haven't done work as of now. I haven't done work as of now. मैं पिज़्ज़ा खाना पसंद करूँगा। I would like to have pizza. I would like to have pizza. क्या आप कुछ चावल लेंगे? Would you like to have some rice? Would you like to have some rice? वो नकद भुगतान करना चाहेगा। He would like to pay in cash. He would like to pay in cash. मैं ये रेड शर्ट लेना पसंद करूँगा। I would love to buy this red shirt. I would love to buy this red shirt. क्या आज तुम मेरे साथ रात का खाना खाओगे? Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? Would you like to join me for dinner tonight? मैं उसे नहीं जानता, शायद वो जानता है। I don't know him, perhaps he knows. I don't know him, perhaps he knows. उसने हाँ कहा या शायद ना। He said yes or maybe no. He said yes or maybe no. वह अभी तक सो रहा है। He is still sleeping as of now. He is still sleeping as of now. वह अभी तक यहाँ नहीं आया। He hasn't come here as of now. He hasn't come here as of now. शायद वो सही उम्मीदवार हो सकता है। He may be the right candidate. He may be the right candidate. शायद उनसे मदद करने के लिए कहा जा सकता है। They may be asked for help. They may be asked for help. वो पिट जाएगा। He would be beaten up. वो पिट जाएगा। He would be beaten up. ये आज हो जाएगा। This would be done today. ये आज हो जाएगा। This would be done today. वो आसानी से बेवकूफ़ बन जाएगा। He would be scammed easily. He would be scammed easily. उसे करीब 500 रुपए दिए जाएंगे। He would be given around ₹500. He would be given around ₹500. ये गाड़ी आसानी से चोरी हो जाएगी। This car would be stolen easily. This car would be stolen easily. तुम्हें बहुत परेशानी होने वाली है। You would be facing a lot of trouble. You would be facing a lot of trouble. अपनी मनहूस शक्ल मुझे मत दिखाओ। Don't show me your jinxed face. Don't show me your jinxed face. तुम अभी ज़्यादा परेशान लग रहे हो। You look more disturbed now. You look more disturbed now. उसने तुम्हें ज़रूर फ़ोन किया होगा। He must have called you. He must have called you. अनजान बनने की कोशिश मत करो। Don't play innocent with me. Don't play innocent with me. हमने जल्दबाजी में नाश्ता किया. We had a hasty breakfast. We had a hasty breakfast. हमने जल्दबाजी में बातचीत की. We had a hasty conversation. We had a hasty conversation. मेरे पास बात करने का समय नहीं था. I didn't have time to talk. I didn't have time to talk. उसने अपने ज्ञान का फायदा उठाया. She took advantage of her knowledge. She took advantage of her knowledge. उसने मेरी दोस्ती का फायदा उठाया. He took advantage of my friendship. He took advantage of my friendship. उसकी सादगी का फायदा मत उठाओ. Don't take advantage of her simplicity. Don't take advantage of her simplicity. कुछ बड़ा करने की सोचो. Think of doing something big. Think of doing something big. सब तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं होते. All are not like you. सब तुम्हारे जैसे नहीं होते. All are not like you. मैं वहाँ रुक कर करूँगा क्या? What will I do by staying there? What will I do by staying there? तुम सच जानकर क्या करोगे? What will you do by knowing the truth? What will you do by knowing the truth? बीमारी फैल रही है. The disease is spreading. The disease is spreading. आपका अगला कदम क्या होगा? What will be your next move? What will be your next move? अंदर चलकर बात करते हैं. Let's go inside and talk. Let's go inside and talk. वो एक अच्छे समाज सेवक हैं. He is a good social worker. He is a good social worker. इस बात का कोई सबूत नहीं है. There is no evidence of it. There is no evidence of it. उन्होंने हमारी बहुत मदद की है. He has helped us a lot. He has helped us a lot. मैं उनका यह एहसान कभी नहीं भूलूंगा. I will never forget this favor of his. I will never forget this favor of his. क्या तुम मुझ पर एक एहसान करोगी? Will you do me a favor? Will you do me a favor? वह फिसलकर गिर गया. He slipped and fell down. He slipped and fell down. हमारे पास बहुत समय है. We have plenty of time. We have plenty of time. हम अपनी मंजिल में पहुंचने ही वाले हैं. We are about to reach our destination. We are about to reach our destination. वह हर बात में मनमानी करता है. He has his own way in everything. He has his own way in everything. मेरा पेट गुड़गुड़ा रहा है. My stomach is rumbling. My stomach is rumbling. मुझे डॉक्टर के पास जाना होगा. I have to go to the doctor. I have to go to the doctor. मैंने सुबह से कुछ नहीं खाया है. I haven't eaten anything since morning. I haven't eaten anything since morning. ऊपर वाला तुम्हें सफलता दिलाए. May Almighty grant you success. May Almighty grant you success. कल रात मुझे एक सपना आया. I had a dream last night. I had a dream last night. मुझे काफ़ी डर लग रहा था. I was feeling very scared. I was feeling very scared. मैं तुमसे कभी बात नहीं करूँगा. I will never talk to you. I will never talk to you. मैं न्यूज़पेपर रोज पढ़ता हूँ. I go through the newspaper every day. I go through the newspaper every day. वह हमेशा मेरे रास्ते में टांग अड़ाता है. He always stands in my way. He always stands in my way. मैं कोई कठपुतली नहीं हूँ. I am not a puppet. I am not a puppet. मुझे अपना फ़ोन चार्ज करना होगा. I need to charge my phone. I need to charge my phone. मेरे फ़ोन में चार्ज नहीं है. There is no charge in my phone. There is no charge in my phone. मेरे बिस्तर पर एक लैपटॉप है. There is a laptop on my bed. There is a laptop on my bed. उसने अपनी आँखें फेर ली. She averted her eyes. She averted her eyes. उसने तो मुझे भावुक कर दिया. She made me emotional. She made me emotional. तुम भरोसेमंद हो. You are trustworthy. तुम भरोसेमंद हो. You are trustworthy. मुझे कोई शौक नहीं है वहाँ जाने का. I am not fond of going there. I am not fond of going there. मैंने यह सोचा भी नहीं था. I didn't even think of it. I didn't even think of it. तुमने मेरा दिल जीत लिया है. You have won my heart. You have won my heart. मैंने अपनी यात्रा स्थगित कर दी. I postponed my trip. I postponed my trip. क्या करूं मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा है. What to do? I am not getting. What to do? I am not getting. अब कुछ नहीं किया जा सकता. Nothing can be done now. Nothing can be done now. यही तो वह कर रही थी. That's what she was doing. That's what she was doing. तुम मेरे साथ ऐसा कैसे कर सकते हो? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to me? अभी मुझे बस आराम करना है. I just want to take rest right now. I just want to take rest right now. उन्होंने बुद्धिमानी से सलाह दी. He advised wisely. He advised wisely. ऐसा मत करो, यह अच्छी बात नहीं है. Don't do that. It's not nice. Don't do that. It's not nice. क्या आपके पास थोड़ा समय है? Do you have some time? Do you have some time? मुझे कभी मौका ही नहीं मिला. I never got the chance. I never got the chance. क्या तुम मेरा मजाक उड़ा रहे हो? Are you making fun of me? Are you making fun of me? क्या आप मुझे घर छोड़ सकते हैं? Can you drop me home? Can you drop me home? मैं तुम्हारा भला चाहता हूँ. I wish well for you. I wish well for you. इंतज़ार कराने के लिए माफ़ी चाहता हूँ. Sorry to made you wait. Sorry to made you wait. क्या आप मुझ पर भरोसा नहीं करते? Don't you trust on me? Don't you trust on me? उसे उठाओ और मुझे दो. Pick that up and give me. Pick that up and give me. आप उस दिन क्यों नहीं आए? Why didn't you come that day? Why didn't you come that day? जाकर अपना कमरा समेटो. Go and tidy up your room. Go and tidy up your room. मैं आपसे कल ही बात करूँगा. I will talk to you tomorrow only. I will talk to you tomorrow only. कितने घमंडी हो आप. How arrogant you are. How arrogant you are. आपका फ़ोन नंबर क्या है? What is your phone number? What is your phone number? हमें इसकी सराहना करनी चाहिए. We should appreciate it. We should appreciate it. मैं उसे अपना मानती हूँ. I consider her mine. मैं उसे अपना मानती हूँ. I consider her mine. उनके मेरे ऊपर बहुत एहसान है. I owe him a lot. I owe him a lot. सच को झुठलाया नहीं जा सकता. The truth can't be denied. The truth can't be denied. इसके लिए उस पर इल्ज़ाम मत लगाओ. Don't blame her for this. Don't blame her for this. ज़्यादा मत सोचो, अब जो है सो है. Don't think so much, it is what it is. Don't think so much, it is what it is. ओह, मैं तो बिल्कुल ही भूल गई. ओह, I completely forgot. ओह, I completely forgot. मैं तुम्हें सच्चा समझता था. I considered you to be genuine. I considered you to be genuine. शायद वो भूल गया हो. Maybe he has forgotten this. Maybe he has forgotten this. रविवार को कौन सी तारीख पड़ती है? Which date falls on Sunday? Which date falls on Sunday? मैं तुम पर भरोसा कर रहा हूँ. I am counting on you. I am counting on you. मैंने भी बिल्कुल ऐसा ही सोचा था. That's exactly what I thought. That's exactly what I thought. होनी को अनहोनी नहीं किया जा सकता. What is done cannot be undone. What is done cannot be undone. हम खबर सुनकर चौंक गए. We were surprised at the news. We were surprised at the news. लड़ने झगड़ने से बात का हल नहीं होगा. Fighting won't settle anything. Fighting won't settle anything. तुम इस लायक नहीं हो. You are not able to this. तुम इस लायक नहीं हो. You are not able to this. तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया. You made my day. तुमने मेरा दिन बना दिया. You made my day. दरवाजे को थोड़ा खुला रखो. Keep the door slightly open. Keep the door slightly open. दरवाजे को पूरा खुला रखो. Keep the door fully open. Keep the door fully open. दरवाजे को आधा खुला रखो. Keep the door half open. Keep the door half open. जल्दी उठ जाओ, सुबह हो गई है. Wake up early, it's morning. Wake up early, it's morning. सच कहूँ तो मैं बहुत खुश हूँ. To be honest, I am very happy. To be honest, I am very happy. मुझसे गोलमोल बातें मत करो. Don't talk clever with me. डोंट टॉक क्लेवर विथ मी। मैंने पार्टी को रद्द कर दिया। I called off the party. I called off the party. समय बहुत जल्दी बीत जाता है। Time runs out very quickly. Time runs out very quickly. मेहनत कभी बेकार नहीं जाती। Hard work never goes in vain. Hard work never goes in vain. उसे ढूंढना नामुमकिन है। It's impossible to find him. It's impossible to find him. तुम्हें मुझे इतना मस्का मारने की कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है। You don't need to butter me so much. You don't need to butter me so much. हमें बड़ों की बात माननी चाहिए। We should listen to elders. We should listen to elders. तुम इस वक्त कहाँ जा रही हो? Where are you going at this time? Where are you going at this time? तुम्हारे बगैर रहने की आदत नहीं है मुझे। I don't have the habit of staying without you. I don't have the habit of staying without you. तुम्हें भी हमारे साथ चलना होगा। You will also have to come with us. You will also have to come with us. कभी भी कुछ भी हो सकता है। Anything can happen at any time. Anything can happen at any time. अब ये कभी कोई गलती नहीं करेगा। Now he will never commit any mistake. Now he will never commit any mistake. तुम हमेशा मेरी बहन को चिढ़ाते रहते हो। You always tease my sister. You always tease my sister. मैं अपने किए पर बहुत शर्मिंदा हूँ। I am very much ashamed for what I did. I am very much ashamed for what I did. मेरी इज्जत का सवाल है ये। It's a matter of my honor. It's a matter of my honor. उसे वक्त की परवाह नहीं है। He doesn't care about the time. He doesn't care about the time. बहुत ही बदतमीज किस्म के आदमी हो तुम। You are really a mannerless person. You are really a mannerless person. तुम विश्वास के लायक नहीं हो। You are not trustworthy. You are not trustworthy. मैं अपनी किस्मत पर रो रहा हूँ। I am crying on my faith. I am crying on my faith. अपनी नाक साफ करो। Blow your nose. अपनी नाक साफ करो। Blow your nose. कृपया यह काम करवा दीजिए। Please get this work done. कृपया यह काम करवा दीजिए। Please get this work done. अब जो है सो है। It is what it is. अब जो है सो है। It is what it is. अब कुछ नहीं हो सकता। अब जो है सो है। Nothing can be done now. It is what it is. Nothing can be done now. It is what it is. अब पछताने से क्या फ़ायदा? What's the use of regretting now? What's the use of regretting now? अपने माँ बाप का सर गर्व से ऊंचा करो। Make your parents proud. Make your parents proud. मैं अब और शांत नहीं रह सकता। I can't be calm anymore. I can't be calm anymore. मेरा सब्र खत्म हो गया। I have run out of my patience. I have run out of my patience. ये वही फ़ोन है जो मुझे मिला। This is the phone which I found. This is the phone which I found. ये वही मैम है जिसने मुझे अंग्रेजी सिखाई. This is the ma'am who taught me English. This is the ma'am who taught me English. ये वही लड़की है जिसकी माँ टीचर है. This is the girl whose mom is a teacher. This is the girl whose mom is a teacher. अपने और पराये में फ़र्क होता है. There is a difference between yourself and someone else. There is a difference between yourself and someone else. मेरे आने पर उसका मुंह बन गया. He got upset upon my arrival. He got upset upon my arrival. मेरे आने पर वो आग बबूला हो गया. He got angry upon my arrival. He got angry upon my arrival. मेरे पूछने पर उसने सच बोला. He told the truth when I asked. He told the truth when I asked. मेरे पूछने पर उसने दाम बताया. He told the rate when I asked. He told the rate when I asked. उसने मेरे पूछने पर जवाब दिया. He answered when I asked. He answered when I asked. मुझे हल्का हल्का याद है. I vaguely remember. मुझे हल्का हल्का याद है. I vaguely remember. आपका हुक्म सराखों पर. Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. इसे अपने पर्स में रखो. Put it in your purse. इसे अपने पर्स में रखो. Put it in your purse. मैं पूरी रात करवटें बदलते रही. I kept tossing all night. I kept tossing all night. मैं तुम्हारे लिए हर वक्त हाजिर हूँ. I am at your service every moment. I am at your service every moment. वह अभी भी मेरी परवाह करती है. She still cares for me. She still cares for me. ये मेरी मेहनत की कमाई है. This is my hard earned money. This is my hard earned money. तुम्हें मेरी उम्र लग जाए. May you get my age. तुम्हें मेरी उम्र लग जाए. May you get my age. तुम हमारे बीच में आ रहे हो. You are coming between us. You are coming between us. यही तो तुम अक्सर भूल जाते हो. This is what you often forget. This is what you often forget. तुमसे मिलने का मन कर रहा है. I feel like meeting you. I feel like meeting you. काश तुम यहाँ होते. I wish you were here. काश तुम यहाँ होते. I wish you were here. सच तो ये है वो बड़ा कंजूस है. As a matter of fact, he is too miser. As a matter of fact, he is too miser. क्या मैं ये यहाँ रख दूँ? May I put it here? क्या मैं ये यहाँ रख दूँ? May I put it here? किताबें मेज पर मत रखो. Don't put the books on the table. Don't put the books on the table. इसे इसकी जगह पर रखो. Put it back in its place. Put it back in its place. तुम्हारा वजन बढ़ गया है. You have put on weight. You have put on weight. तुम्हें ये यहाँ रखने को किसने बोला? Who told you to put it here? Who told you to put it here? सच तो ये है वो तुम्हें धोखा दे रहा है. As a matter of fact, he is cheating on you. As a matter of fact, he is cheating on you. कोई कुछ भी कहे हम साथ रहेंगे. No matter what anyone says, we will stay together. No matter what anyone says, we will stay together. कोई कुछ भी कहे मैं अपने सपने पूरे करूँगा. No matter what anyone says, I will pursue my dreams. No matter what anyone says, I will pursue my dream. ये कब तक चाहिए? When do you want it? ये कब तक चाहिए? When do you want it? पेमेंट कब तक आएगा? When will the payment arrive? When will the payment arrive? Translate it. मैं थक गई हूँ. थैंक यू. वीडियो अच्छी लगी तो लाइक करें, शेयर करें.